Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to reboot your Whoop 4.0. In order to reboot your Whoop 4.0, you could follow these steps. So to begin with the procedure, open up your application and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, at the bottom of the screen, you could see this tab bar icon. Press that. Once you press on it, you'll be taken to the next field, which will look something like this. Now, while you're on this page, you want to scroll down a bit and you could find this section as device settings. Click on it. When you go to device settings, swipe towards your left hand side and go to advanced. When you go to advanced, you could find this page where you need to scroll down a bit and click on reboot device. Once you press on reboot device, then you'll be able to reboot your Whoop. It's gonna take a couple of seconds in order to proceed on. So follow the steps that has been provided, and that way you'll be able to reboot your Whoop 4.0. So with that being said, I've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.